Hi, I'm Dr. Lillard. Today, I would like to share some thoughts with you about how to prepare for your chemistry course. You already know that this class is a commitment and will take a consistent 10 to 12 hours per week to do the work. You also know that you will need to schedule those hours and engage during those times. We talked about this in the Attend video. Now, I believe all students begin a class with those intentions. They prepare to do consistent work to learn the content. Nobody signs up for a class thinking how awesome it would be to become overwhelmed and fail the course. They just don't. But what does happen fairly often is reality swoops in and disrupts our carefully crafted plans. Then what? This is what I want you to think about. The then what, and how to prepare for when this happens. So let's say that you miss a class meeting or a live Zoom session. Well, you can access the recording or follow up with questions about the topic. It's a fairly easy fix. If your work schedule changes or a family member gets sick or needs other attention, then you may need to take a more careful look at how to fit in the time. What's even trickier is when the literal hours in the day are available and scheduled for study, but your energy or mindset causes the disruption. Does this happen to you? It definitely happens to me. Then what? See if you can evaluate the situation. Did you not get enough sleep? Or maybe you have a distraction in your life or had a rough day. Try to acknowledge what you need so you can prepare to adjust. Maybe this adjustment is that you need to step away for an hour and take a break to calm the mind. Or it could be that you need to take the day off to rest and restore and put the time in another day. Breaking news, we are human beings, and sometimes human beings just need a break. Give yourself the attention you need so you can prepare to come back tomorrow ready to do the work. I think it's useful for us to keep in mind what we are preparing for. The end goals are to encourage learning, to guide and support the process of learning, and to actually learn something. My job is to encourage and support you as I guide you through the content. Your job is to use that encouragement and support as needed when you study and practice. Together, our job is for you to learn chemistry. I will see you next time.